Yeah, and so far I made $1,700 just on this one single account. Let me refresh that really quickly. $1,700. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you a super simple 7-minute trick on how to get paid $5.50 every 10 minutes over and over again on complete autopilot. Now, using this method, you can see right here, using this application, I was able to make $1,700 already. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this and set this 7-minute trick up even if you have no skills, no experience, or this is the first ever video you are watching about making money online. But before that, if you are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, I post daily videos, actually bi-daily, every other day, teaching you how to make money online completely for free and also without ever showing your face online. So if that's something that you like, don't forget to smash the like on this video. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes on this one. And also, to never miss out on any of my future uploads, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can notify you whenever I upload a brand new money making video. And also, stay until the end of the video and comment down below and tell me if you actually like this video and tell me where are you from, so I know if you like these kinds of methods or I should be creating another method and don't even bother reposting these kinds of videos. So yeah, just tell me if you like it, where are you from, and also what is the problem that you are not able to set this method up properly. I would really like to know that because I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible to make money online. So yeah, if you can just give me some feedback, I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, so I want to show you this method that's going to be paying you $5.50 exactly around every 10 minutes. Now I know that's not, maybe doesn't seem like a lot, but $5.50, if it's every 10 minutes, that means you are going to get paid 6 times per hour. So that's going to be around $30 per hour that you're going to be making this. But this is actually on autopilot because you can set this up in just like 7 minutes and it's going to be working for you 24 hours per day. So this is per hour, and if you're going to multiply that by 24, that means you are going to be making close to $800 per day, possibly with this method. And if we multiply that just by like 4, that's over $3,000 you can make in like 4 days. Now, I don't think you're going to make, let's be completely honest, you are not going to be making this amount of money in the next 4 days, but this is something you can definitely expect to make in the next month if you're going to be using this method. Okay, so the step number 1, you want to go to a website that's called tapmap.io and download this completely free application. Now, this is pretty much an exclusive CPA network, invite only, that has a very good affiliate offers, CPA offers actually, that we want to be using, and I'm going to show you why. And if you don't want to be using that, I will show you another alternative. Now, you want to just go to tapmap.io and just download the application on either App Store or Google Play, and then you want to pretty much enter this code 8964 when you are going to be signing up. This is my exact referral code that's going to help you get approved on Tapmap, okay? Because this is invite application only, so you need to have the referral code or you need to have a large social media following. If you have large social media following, then just tell them where are you from and just give them all your details. But if you don't have large social media followings, you can also sign up using this link, incognitomoney.com/tapmap, and also use this code 8964, and that's going to help you get approved. Okay, now once you're going to log into your application, I want to show you exactly what to do here and the reason why we are going to be doing this. You can see that on this account, I have $1,700 total owed that I made on this network. So it's real, it makes money, and you don't have to be scared about anything. But you want to go to the offers right at the bottom left section, and this is all the CPA offers they currently have that you can be promoting and making money with them. Now, if you're going to notice, and I'm going to show you a live example, you're going to see that these offers, they have extremely high payout. You can see $6 for a CPA offer. This is unheard of. Now, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, and currently we are looking for this CPA offer right here, which is called Survey Voices. It's called Survey Voices, and it's going to be paying you $5.50 for a conversion. Now, this is for an email submit, okay? For an email submit. All they have to do is just submit an email address, complete the registration, and you are going to get paid $5.50. And this traffic is only from United States. This is actually very important, okay? Only United States traffic. Now, what you want to do is this link right here, the sponsored me 8964445. You want to copy and paste it into your laptop or do the entire method on your phone. You can definitely do the method on your phone, but I highly recommend doing it on your laptop because it might get a little complicated later on. And just remember this payout. You can see it's $5.50. $5.50, okay? Okay, now we have the link right here. It's pretty much right here, Survey Voices CPA offer link. Now, if you don't have TapMap or you cannot get approved because they have a lot of registrations going in, so they cannot process everyone. Another thing that you can use CPA Grip, okay? But I'm going to show you why I want you to be using TapMap, because on CPA Grip, just log in, sign up for an account, then on the left hand section, go to the My Offers, select United States, and then you want to search for survey, okay? And this is the CPA offer we are looking for. But on this network, and this is the same exact CPA offer, you are going to get paid $2.43. Now that's still good amount of money you are going to be getting paid just for a super simple email submit, where people, all they need to do is just go to page like this, enter their email right here, click on start now. $2.43 for this is extremely good, but $5.50, I think that's unheard of, and this is hidden gold mine. So that's the reason why I recommend using TapMap. To get approved, use the code 8964. It's going to help you. It's my code. I will receive some kickback if you're going to be making money, but this is what's going to help you get approved. Now, the next thing what you want to do is you want to visit this link, and this is how it's going to currently look like for me, because I'm from a different country. So it's going to redirect me to some kind of opinion page where there's some content about the CPA offer. But the next step, what you want to do is you want to go to canva.com, and I'm going to show you a super cool traffic source that's going to be sending you hundreds and even thousands of people that want to sign up to that website. And once you're going to see that, you'll be like, oh, that's unheard of, and I'm going to use it the right way. Now you want to create a custom size of 300 times 250. Click on create a new design, and don't worry, we are not going to be creating anything complicated, okay? So first of all, just go to the page that you have landed on, and you just want to copy and paste some images from this, okay? And the reason for it is because we want to make it congruent. So this one says get paid for your opinions, earn rocking rewards, okay, and then you want to just copy this part, for example. So just like this, just this image, just like this, okay? And you want to click on copy, and then you want to pretty much paste it right here into the design, okay? And resize it accordingly, because yeah, depending on what kind of image you're going to take, it's going to resize according to that, okay? So I'm going to move this a little bit higher, and then I want to grab another part, which is right here, our rewards, and this PayPal gift card is going to get a lot of attention, okay? So just like this, copy this part and then paste it right here again, just like this. Let's move this one up a little bit more, and just like this. Actually, I'm going to retake the screenshot because I want to take the entire blue thingy right here. So I'm going to take this screenshot, copy this, I'm going to delete this one and paste it right there, and resize this one. So the entire blue color is going to go through the entire image, okay? Just like this, it looks much better. And now this is the important part, okay? This image, it looks good, but we want to make it high converting in terms of clicks, and the way to do that is you just click on add a heading, and you're going to write there, click here, obviously, but this is not all. You want to move it at the bottom, to the bottom actually, right here, and then this is going to be the trick that you want to use. So first of all, make it bold, make it underlined, and then right here on the text color, you want to change the text color, and this is the color you want to use, because the color is not here. You want to put it here, and this is very important, 0018FF. Okay, 0018FF, and then this is the color you want to use. The reason for this color is that this is the universal color for links online or on the internet. So whenever you see a link, pretty much the default color for a link is this one right here, if the page didn't change it to something else. So if people are going to see this color and link with this color, they know it's a link, okay? So this makes it much more likely for people to click there, okay? So I'm going to move this one a little bit up, move this one a little bit up, and just like this, okay? And I'm going to add these little arrow signs right here. So now this is much more appealing for people to actually click on it. So just take 2 images, just get paid for your opinions, our rewards, PayPal, Apple Card, Amazon, and then click here, and then you want to click on share this image, click on the download, and you just want to download it as a PNG. Just make sure that the resolutions are 300 times 250. And now I want to show you a traffic source, traffic website that's going to be sending you highly targeted traffic, people from United States that want to sign up to these websites, that want to sign up here, and for every single person you are going to receive a $5.50 in a commission on this CPA network. Now, the website I'm talking about is called adhits.com. Just go to this website, and you're going to see that the top traffic sites on these websites are all of these. Now, these websites are actually websites where people can earn cents and pennies for actually clicking on ads. Now, if you actually know about any of these websites, there's thousands of people there, and all they do pretty much is that they make money on these websites just by clicking on ads, just by watching some videos and doing stuff like that. For example, like this website right here, people can sign up, click on a couple of ads and make like 5 cents per day. So when you're going to actually show them an advertisement that's going to tell them they can get paid for completing surveys and they can be making a lot more money, yeah, they are going to click there and they are going to sign up. And for every one of these completely free signups, you are going to receive $5.50. Now here's how to actually create this very simple traffic campaign. Just create your account on ad hits, then you want to go right here, click on advertisers, buy network ads, just click on it and it's going to take you to this page. Now just call it whatever you want, for example tap map campaign. Now you want to select none of the above, then you want to create an image ad and you want to select the 300 times 250. This is the important resolution, and you want to change the geographic targeting right here because you don't want to be showing your ads everywhere, just these regions only, and select North America. Okay, just select the North America right here and then click on the next step. Now for the budget, just put there like $10 for example, and for your daily budget you can put there like $5. And even if you're going to receive, let's say the worst case scenario, like 2 signups only, then you are already profitable by $1 because you are getting paid $5.50 for every sign up. You're spending $10, so that's like $1 profit. But only people that are interested in making money online want to click there, and they are going to do that. And those are the people that are going to be signing up. Now you want to copy this link right here, pretty much your CPA link that you have saved onto your desktop, and paste it right here, and destination website name, call it sponsor me December survey. Okay, so something like this. Then enter the file, or actually upload the file that we have created on Canva. So this one right here that we have downloaded, this one, and you want to select upload. And bam, this is how our advertisement is going to look like. And you can see, get paid for your opinions, earn rocking rewards by taking surveys in your spare time, our rewards, PayPal, Amazon, and Apple Pay, Apple Card, Apple Pay or Apple Card, and then click here. Now this is the reason why we use the color of 0018FF, because now it definitely seems like a link. People are going to click there. And if someone is going to see this page, they are going to see it on the click. When they're going to do that, they're just going to sign up to try it out. Just for trying it out, you are getting paid $5.50. This is why it's so awesome. And then click on next step, and now you can just pretty much just purchase this campaign on ad hits for just $10. So pretty much you just click on I have read and agree to ad hits user agreement, and then you can either pay with card, Skrill, or Coinbase, and your campaign is going to start showing up on these make money online websites where people are clicking just for cents. So if they're going to see something better, they are going to try it out just to see how much money they can be making from these surveys. And from every single one of these signups, you are going to receive $5.50 from TapMap or $2.40 from CPA Grip. And that's it, guys. That's exactly how I'm making money on TapMap. These CPA offers on TapMap, they have unmatched payouts. You cannot find them anywhere else. So go ahead, sign up to TapMap, use the code 8964, or just go to CPA Grip, set this method up, and tell me what did you like about it, or what did you didn't like about it, or why you are unable to set this method up. Other than that, thank you for watching, and for more videos, check out this one right here, which is going to show you another awesome incognito make money online method right here. Click here, and I'm going to see you there. Bye for now.